welcome to Make in India, New Deal for Defence. This week we take a look at a relatively young company, but one that has effected a massive transformation. Over the last 10 years, Karnataka-based Aequs Aerospace has moved from being just a supplier of automotive components to one of the go-to aerospace structure manufacturers for giants like Airbus and Boeing. CNBC TV 18's Purnima Murli travelled to Karnataka's Belagavi district to get a first-hand look at the company's capabilities in the aerospace and defence sectors. This facility of Aequs Aerospace is not old. When Aravind Melligeri co-founded this company in 1997, it was an engineering services company focused on the power generation space. It boasted annual revenues of $20 million and went by the name of Quest Global. And it might have continued in that vein if energy trading giant Enron had not collapsed in 2002. The collapse saw most of the company's contracts being cancelled and forced the founders to look at new areas.
I co-founded Quest with my partner Ajit Prabhu and as an engineering service provider initially to power generation. Later we went into aerospace and started working with customers like Airbus and various other tier ones. And that opened up thought process of, hey, we're doing design work here. We asked customers, hey, can we do manufacturing to you? At that time, India was just opening up through the commercial offsets, had opened up the commercial aerospace sector for India, and we were one of a kind, setting manufacturing facility in India at that time. So, and in 2006, 2007, we reevaluated a whole strategy of how we should be able to take this opportunity, the way engineering services we took this opportunity to scale, as similar to services model actually. So when we looked at it, we really needed to have a platform and ecosystem to do it.
This new platform and ecosystem became a reality a year later when the company entered into a joint venture with Magellan Aerospace to set up Aerospace Processing India. The initial contracts were centered around providing surface treatment for global players like Boeing and an order from Belgium-based aerospace company Sabca to manufacture metallic parts and assembly work for the Airbus 380 program. In 2009, backed by various successes and an expanding order book, the company began operations at an SEZ in Karnataka's Belagavi district, nearly 500 kilometers from Bengaluru.
I am at Aequs Aerospace Manufacturing Facility at Belagavi in Karnataka. Spread over 250 acres, this 10-year-old company makes precision components and aerospace assemblies for top tier 1 players and OEMs including Airbus, Boeing and Utas.
Today, this is India's largest integrated aerospace facility, a facility that provides components for major aerospace players, a facility that has caught the attention of Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar.
I used to travel very often in car from Belgaum to Kolhapur, Karar, Pune area, and I had never seen any facility here about maybe 2009 also. Possibly it was just beginning at that time and I have not seen it. So when he told me such and showed me the photograph, sent me the photograph, I was wondering what exactly has gone, should I say it wrong or right? Right, I think things are going quite right for India altogether.
Airbus from our historical journey from Quest, where we are engineering services provider for them, and when we presented our idea of setting up manufacturing, and especially like a dedicated facility, they were open for that, but they were apprehensive about it. They let us do things and ask us to demonstrate what we can do on the floor and what we can deliver to them, whether we can meet the quality requirements, on-time performance. And over the years we have done that. Since 2009 we started journey with Airbus, and it was a very small order, right? Just less than $500,000 order what we received. And today we're doing more than $10 million with Airbus.
Today, Aequs is one of Airbus's top suppliers, raking in over $12 million a year from the global giant alone. With Quest being rechristened